going to be teaching you guys about stem and leaf plots today. So, a stem and leaf plot is a way to show quantitative data where you split the number into two, having a stem and a leaf. So, the stem is the first digit of the number, so that usually represents the 10 or the hundreds place depending on the set. And then the leaf is the last number of the number, so it represents the units place. So for example, right here I have 47, so 4 is the leaf and 7 would be the stem. Next on how to create a stem and leaf plot, you'll need to list the numbers from smallest to largest. And then you need to identify the stem and the leaf, so split them up. And then you'll draw a vertical line, putting the stems on the left and the leaves on the right. Yes. So for an example, I put here the numbers 34, 36, 37, 42, 45, and 47. So the first step is obviously splitting them up. So for 34, the stem would be 3, the leaf is 4. For 36, stem is 3, leaf is 6, and then so on and so on. Lastly, with 47, the stem would be 4, the leaf would obviously be 7. And for my example with manipulatives, I use strips, so you can come closer if you want. So here I'm gonna put the stems on this side, so 3 and 4, and then I'm gonna put our leaves with the numbers. So we have 34, I'm gonna put the leaf there to make 34. We have 36, that will go with that. What's our last 30? 37, and those are it for the 30. So that's every number, 34, 36, 37. Stem, leaves. And then for the 40, we have 42, that's the leaf. We have the leaf 5 for 45, and then we have 47. And that's what I would do with my students if we were in person, just separate the numbers like that. So for the actual plot, I have the vertical line here. I couldn't actually fully do it, but you know, close enough. So I just have it exactly how our manipulatives are. So 3 and the 4 are on the left side of our vertical line, and then I listed out every single leaf. So 4, 6, 7 for the 3s, 2, 5, 7 for the 4. And my explanation for the plot is that there are 3 numbers in the 30s and there are 3 numbers in the 40s, so that's how I only got 2 stems. Okay, so for the questions, the first question is, what is the main purpose of a stem and leaf plot? To organize and visualize data. My second question is, how would you represent the number 56 in a stem and leaf plot? I would hope that the students would say 5 would be the stem and 6 would be the leaf, and that's how it's represented. My last question is, if a plot has a stem of 3 and leaves of 1, 4, and 7, what would the original numbers be? So just like for here, if this was the stem and these were the numbers, it would just be 42, 45, 47. So for here, the stem is 3, the leaves are 1, 4, and 7. So the original numbers would be 31, 34, and 37. And that is it. Thank you.